All right, boys and girls, so today we're going to review how to turn fractions into decimals into percents. So let's say that we have 3/5, and we want to turn 3/5 into a decimal. So if we're going from fraction to decimal, we're going to take the numerator divided by the denominator. All right. So I'm going to take 3 divided by 5. All right, does 5 go into 3? No, it does not. So that's where we add our decimal, and then we add a 0. Does 5 go into 30? 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. So I don't have to divide anymore, and my decimal is 6/10. Now, if I want to go from a decimal to a percent, multiply by 100. Okay, so I'm going to have my 100, and I'm going to multiply that by 6/10. So 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 1 is 6. Now I've got to move my decimal, so I move it bloop one place this way. I'm going to bring it down and bloop it over this way. So I get 60 as a whole number. So that would just be 60%. Now if I want to take a percent and turn it into a fraction, you're going to write the percent over 100 and then simplify. Okay. So I'm going to take 60 over 100 because all percents are out of 100. And I'm going to simplify, and I feel like we get stuck a lot on simplifying. The easiest way to simplify is to factor the two numbers you're trying to simplify and find a common factor. So I can factor 60 by 3 and 20, and I can factor 100 by 5 and 20. So since they both have 20 in common, that means I can simplify by 20. Okay, so 60 divided by 20 is 3. 100 divided by 20 is 5. So 60 over 100 simplifies into 3/5, which is what we started with in the first place. So if you follow the triangle in this direction, you will always be able to create equivalent representations of fractions, decimals, and percents.